House flipping is buying a property, renovating it, and selling it for a profit. Essentially, you're transforming a neglected or outdated property into a desirable home. It sounds simple, but it's a lot of work. The process involves a lot of planning, coordination, and effort. You need to find the right property at the right price. This often means searching through many listings and visiting multiple properties. Then, you manage renovations, which can be unpredictable. Unexpected issues can arise, like structural problems or delays in getting materials. Finally, you need to sell the house quickly, in a hot market. Timing is crucial to maximize your profit. Think of it like this: you're taking something old and making it new again. It's a creative process that requires vision and attention to detail. But just like flipping a pancake, there's always a chance you could mess up. Mistakes can be costly and time-consuming. That's why it's important to understand the risks and rewards. You need to do thorough research and have a solid plan. House flipping is not for everyone. It can be stressful and demanding, requiring a lot of patience and resilience. It takes a lot of time, money, and knowledge to be successful. You need to budget carefully and keep track of all expenses. But if you're willing to put in the work, it can be a great way to build wealth. The satisfaction of transforming a property and making a profit can be very rewarding. House flipping is not without its risks. It's a venture that can be as unpredictable as it is rewarding. One of the biggest risks is market volatility. The housing market can change rapidly and often without warning. The real estate market goes up and down. What goes up must come down. A sudden downturn can turn a profitable flip into a financial disaster. If the market crashes after you buy a property, you could lose a lot of money. This is especially true if you have invested heavily in renovations. Another risk is unexpected renovation costs. These can quickly spiral out of control. You might find hidden problems with the property that you didn't budget for, like mold, foundation issues, or outdated plumbing. These issues can be costly and time-consuming to fix. Delays are another common problem. Time is money in the world of house flipping. Permits can take longer than expected. Contractors might not show up on time, or materials could be delayed. Each delay can push back your timeline and increase your costs. All of this eats into your profit margin. Careful planning and a contingency budget are essential to mitigate these risks. Despite the risks, there are also big rewards in house flipping. The thrill of transforming a rundown property into a beautiful home is unmatched. The biggest potential reward is a high profit margin. With the right strategy, you can significantly increase your investment. If you buy a property at a low price, renovate it well, and sell it in a hot market, you can make a lot of money. Timing and market conditions play a crucial role in maximizing your returns. Flipping houses also teaches you valuable skills. From understanding the intricacies of home renovation to mastering the art of budgeting, every project is a learning experience. You'll learn about real estate investing, construction, design, and negotiation. These skills are not only useful for flipping houses but can also be applied to other investment opportunities. These skills can be helpful in other areas of your life. Whether it's managing your own home renovation or negotiating a better deal in any business, the knowledge gained is invaluable. Finally, successful house flipping can lead to financial freedom. Imagine having the financial stability to pursue your passions without the constraints of a traditional job. As you build up your capital, you can start flipping bigger properties or even quit your job to flip houses full-time. The journey from a small flip to a full-time career in real estate is both challenging and rewarding. Section 4. Balancing risk and reward. The key to successful house flipping is balancing risk and reward effectively. You need to be aware of the risks and take steps to mitigate them carefully. This means doing your research thoroughly, getting your numbers right, and having a solid contingency plan. Don't be afraid to walk away from a deal if it doesn't feel right to you. There are always other properties out there waiting for you. It's better to be safe than sorry in the long run. Remember, house flipping is a marathon, not a sprint, so pace yourself. It takes time to learn the ropes and build a successful business in this field. Be patient, persistent, and always be learning new strategies. Section 5. Your first step into house flipping. If you're interested in house flipping, the best thing to do is start learning as much as you can. Read books, watch videos, and talk to experienced investors who have been successful. You can even shadow a flipper to learn the ropes firsthand and gain practical experience. Don't be afraid to start small and manageable. You don't need to buy a huge mansion for your first flip. Start with a smaller property like a condo or a single-family home. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of real estate investing. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to handle the challenges and reap the rewards of house flipping.